Hi guys, it's me and Jaranish. On this video I'm going to show you the best headsets under 500 rupees, and this is a boAt headset. I'm using this for more than 1.5 years and still it was really good, and this is a blue color variant and it's awesome guys. Really it was so fantabulous, the bass was awesome, everything is good. So here I'm going to show you the another two colors. So I ordered this one for right now, so let's unbox it. So let's start. Okay, here is the two new models and two new colors. Super extra bass and flat angle cables. So let's unbox it. Let's keep aside the old one. And this is a white color, and we have the buds, extra buds, and the clips too. And the extra buds. The bud quality was awesome. The extra sizes, the suitable sizes can be recommended. So okay, this is all extras. Let's keep aside and let's see the headsets. And this white color looking so stunning. Guys, I like from what the best boAt headset is the quality. This price segment, it was really awesome. It was fully metal body and cool. Okay, now let's check what's the another color. This is another color. Let's unbox this too. Okay, this is an black color. It's full black, and all the buds also black. It's fully black, matte black. Black is also looks good. Comparing to this, the two is also awesome. These are all the colors I have. This is the one I'm using for more than 1.5 years. Still it was really awesome headset. So if you're looking for a headset under 600 or 500, below 600, it was really awesome product. So we highly recommended it for you. And it also, you can change the buds, the size of it will source to you can do like that. So now let's go on. This is okay. There is a full metal body, fully metal. You can hear the sound too. Full metal, awesome quality. Here is a microphone. And here is a percentage of it. Overall guys, it was awesome. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. It's me, Ambition, signing off. If you need more awesome videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So that's it, guys. Bye. See you soon.
And if it ends, can we be friends?